Hello my friends, welcome to Prime Strings. I'm Henriette and today we are playing Adam in the Garden from the Fiddle Time Runners book. So I'll play it for you first and then we'll practice a few sections. Here we go. And so if you've been able to join in with me, that's absolutely fantastic. Well done. Now let's have a look exactly where on the bow we're playing these notes. So whenever we get four of the same notes, we're in the middle and we have very short bows. You see? Just a couple of centimetres, that's all you need. But now when you get the two crotchets, I want you to try to play towards the point of the bow. That note brings you back to the middle. You can see that it's 3 times the same kind of bowing. So 4 short notes in the middle of the bow, and then you play up to the point and back. Throughout the whole piece that is the case. If you have a look at the second line now, you get this. Those two rests, rest, rest that come after this, your bow stays on the string. So I'm playing this. Leave it down. Stay on the string. 3, 4. Stay on the string. And here, have you noticed it? This note gets more bowed because I've got that minim to play afterwards. So just on the last of the crotchets in bar 11, that B gets a little bit more bowed. Now we're going to play around with that bowing a little bit more in the following line as well. So I'm going to go from bar 13 now. And we've got very uneven bow strokes here because the first note is a crotchet. It uses the whole bow. And now I'm going slowly with my bow. So what I'm doing is I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Do bear in mind as well that this note here is a C sharp. So it's a raised third finger. Now look what's happened. Now I go the other way around for my fast bow. See, up bow. 2, 3, 4. All the way to the heel of the bow here. Quick bow. That's how your phrase goes. The phrase stops here. And now this is a sort of introduction to what comes next. And that's why you've got these dashes on every note, and these mean stress these notes a little bit. bar, you see. And then you leave the bow on the string again there. Well done so far. If you've been able to keep up with me, that's excellent. Let's go a little bit faster now, and let's go from the beginning, okay? And now I want you to listen, especially for the tuning, and I want you to check that your third fingers on the G string are wide. The third fingers on the D string are also wide, but this note, yes, it does appear once, and it's for you to find out where it comes. So mind that one time your third finger comes on the D string, it's also wide. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Raise third finger. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Retake the bow here. Rest, rest. Rest. Retake the bow. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Super, well done. Thank you so much for watching today. If you have any comments, please write them in the comment section below. Do subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Goodbye.